Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This tutorial, guys, we are going to teach you there are different way to create a circular or a spiral a staircase, guys. So here we will use a 2 or 3 plugins, and every plugins will do same job. Okay, guys. So don't worry, you will have to save your time to create a circular staircase, and it will build in within a second, guys, just within a click. Okay, so if you're new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for latest update, guys. So let's start. So first you'll have to build the staircase like that. Okay, a straight staircase, these are how many riser in it, how many steps in it. Okay, you must have to know that first, and then you'll have to click over here, and here this plugin will help you. This is called a truebend. Okay, so after clicking over here, you have to click over here, guys. Okay, here you can see this line is showing. So always remember, this will only work if your axis of this object is in a red axis. Okay, I can show you here how it will work. So after clicking here, you just have to type the angle. Suppose if you're typing angle 180 and enter, it will form like that. Okay, it will form like that. But when you will click here and then dragging your mouse and typing 360, it will build a model like that. Okay, that's a similar of this staircase. Okay, if you want to make a staircase like that with this same model, you have to just click over here. Now you can see this model is showing this side because this axis of this staircase is this side. Okay, so I have to go inside and need to change the red axis. Okay, so I'm going to click on a tool options, then going to click on a axis, and then you have to click here. So you have to press a red line at this side and green line at this side. Okay, guys, like that. And after changing the direction of this axis, now you will able to transform this. So now you have to click here, then drag just opposite side at the angle of 360, and then enter or enter. Okay, so this is the method to create a different kind of staircase using a same model. Okay, so first you have to create a straight flight staircase, then you will have to change the direction of truebend angle, whether it is inside of circle or outside of the circle. Okay, now another method to create a staircase like that, there is a one simple method that you will have to follow. So suppose this is your staircase that I have created using as a single step, and this is in a group. Okay, now we will select this option, and now here this is the 1001 bit tool. Okay, so this one will use here. So after selecting this one, you will have to click on a create area of the group option. Here you can see this is 3 parameters are showing here: polar array angle, number of entities, and total distance along center. So what we'll have to do, guys, now first you'll have to measure the angle between this point to this point. Okay, so you have to click on a tool options and then click on this protractor option. Okay, then click at the center. This is the 73, but you have to measure from this point to at this direction. Okay, anti-clockwise, and it will show 286.2. Okay, so this is your angle. Okay, now again select this and click over here. Now you have to type the angle 286. Okay. Number of entities total 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 80s are formed here. Okay. Now total distance along center axis. We know there is total 18 number. So we need to calculate it. How to calculate? You have to type 180. Everyone is 180 mm. Okay. That riser. And then multiplying with 18. Okay, the distance between a long axis will be 3240. So here it's already given. I have already typed here 3240. Okay, now you have to click on a build area option, then click at this bottom point of the center and then top point of the center, and you can see this is formed very easily, guys. Okay, and this is very cool actually. It will definitely gonna help you to create a different kind of spiral and helical staircase in SketchUp, guys. So I hope it will help you, And what's your opinion about this tutorial? Please comment in comment section if you're feeling any trouble to making this all models. So thanks for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe to benefit other SketchUp users. And see you next tutorial, guys. Thank you.